See cameras.
Yes.
So you must have seen there are around how many cameras?
In big screen 140 is there, sir. Beside nearly 60 cameras, nearly 200 above cameras are there, sir.
Yes. Total around this is our integrated command control center. So where we have the total police under control. The cameras are there, which are we can see here. But there are many cameras. You can see in front of homes, shops. You are seeing, right? So that is their individual cameras.
Sir, in Rahul Nagar, I think there is no camera.
Individual
There
cameras.
are few police stations. We are creating awareness. People like you take the initiative. Then definitely there will be cameras.
Definitely, sir.
Yes.
My suggestion is,
Uh-huh.
sir, nowadays a lot of kidnap cases will going.
Yes.
And also
Yes.
this harassing of small
Right.
girls. So in front of the colleges and schools, if you are arranging cameras also, we can reduce the problem because CC camera is nothing but a police. Because everybody is watching us.
Yes.
So it's my small advice from our side.
Yes,
sir.
sure.
Say in Rahul Nagar there are 2-3 schools. So if you keep CCTV footage in Rahul Nagar.
Definitely, we will try. Definitely, we are regularly on regular basis. We are increasing the number of cameras. So initially there was hardly 1.5 year back. There were hardly 24 cameras made.
Yes.
But now it has
Now it is
been
more than 200.
200 cameras. That is just a integrated command control center under police station. But you can see in shops and everywhere there are many cameras has been installed. So around in Baisa town in last 1.5 year around 1,500 cameras has been installed. So 1,500 cameras are there. So more or less areas has been covered also. So that is a good thing. Any doubts you have
Yes.
seen about? Any doubts? Any query?
So suddenly you will take encounter reaction on the crime person.
Encounter reaction?
Means
Huh?
you will take sudden reaction on the person who did crime.
No. Actually, there is a proper process. So if someone does any kind of offense, for example, if someone beats someone, okay, so that complainant who is the victim will come to police station. So every police station has one area, okay, like our Bhainsa town is there. So our Bhainsa town, this is the areas you can see. So I am heading total 8 police station. So this is like our Mudhol Taluka is there.
Yes.
So that is called Bhainsa subdivision in police station. So total 8 police stations are there. Which are the police station you can see there? Can you read? These are
All
the
8
red symbols
colors
are
are
there.
there, no?
Red symbols.
Yeah, red symbols. Kundala is there.
Or Mandal headquarters.
Right.
Baisa 2 are there.
8 police stations are there.
Yes.
These 8 police stations, they are divided in 3 groups. So there is one major is a Bhainsa town. There is one. Then there are 2 circles. So basically, second area is Kubir, Kuntala, and Bhainsa rural. So Bhainsa rural you can see there in Rahul Nagar.
Yes.
In Pipri colony.
Yes. So there are 3 police stations, and then again these are 4 police stations: Thanur, Mudhol, Basar, and Lokeshwar. Total these are the 8 police stations. So surrounding that you can see another police stations or another what is there. This is the Maharashtra border you can see. This is the white color left side. Okay. So starting from that Maharashtra state, there is a Kinwad police station. You can see in the north side upward. There is a Kinwad police station near to Kubir police station. Then there is a Islapur police station, left side. Then again down there is a Bokar police station. Then there is Umri police station. Then there is Dharmawal police station. These are all Maharashtra police station. Then here comes you can come to Navi Pet. Navi Pet is in the Nizamabad district. Then again Nandipet. That is also Nizamabad district. Then there comes the Narsapurji. That is in Nirmal Satpura. These are the police stations. You can see.
So what is the crime rate here in this police station?
Here around every year around 300-400 crimes are happening in Baisa town.
Every
In
day
one
one
police station.
averagely every day one.
Every day 1 or 2 are crimes are there. In total subdivision, it is around 1,000 plus 1,500 plus total crimes are there
Per year.
per year.
So on the basis of crime rate only, the police station department recruiting and spreading the police station is available.
That is the main criteria, but there are different criteria also depending on the activities Specifically, population is there. For example, if it is densely populated, like Mansa town, you will have a smaller area.
Yes.
There are some industrial police stations also.
Yes.
So, kind of Ramagundam, Pedapalli, in that area, there are different kind of police stations are there.
Yes. Industrial police stations.
Yes.
Especially industry areas are.
Industry, for securing those industries and their neighboring population, they will have different kind of police station. So depending on that. So if you can see, if it is a rural area, so you will have more area for one police station. For Bainsato, that is a smaller area. So
Actually, we heard that sir,
Hmm.
for every 2,000 members, for
Hmm.
one police station is required.
that is ideally recommendation are there, but slowly government is sanctioning the number of police stations. So after Telangana also, lots of police station, lots of district you must be knowing.
Yes.
Initially, how many districts were there? In Andhra Pradesh? Anyone?
In Telangana or Andhra Pradesh?
Andhra Pradesh total?
Total Andhra Pradesh.
Hmm.
Actually, 23 is there, sir.
23 is there,
Before
right.
that.
So out of 23, 10 were from Telangana and 13 from Andhra.
Yes.
So out of those 10 districts, now we have created total 33 districts. So this is normal thing. Any issues? Remaining how's study going on? When is your
Sir,
exam?
how we should
Yesterday
manage?
only completed
FA3
exams.
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
I'll tell some tips to how we should study to become IPS.
So how you study?
And one thing,
Now in
sir,
the-
don't disturb much more time, sir.
Mhm.
We will call sir.
Mhm.
Sir, actually, these are ready to come. Just we want the interaction in the evening times, especially
Mhm.
6 to 7:30.
Mhm.
In the morning, you interacted with
Uday
civil aspirant.
Acha, acha.
Just interacted with my brother only.
Okay, okay.
So I said to them only, sir, we will go to the sir now.
Okay, okay,
Definitely
sure,
we will
sure.
call and
Sure,
sir will clear your doubts.
Hmm?
And whatever you want to ask now about the police department
Yes.
and dressing and your sentence, just ask.
So,
I have completed my engineering from Pune in mechanical engineering, BTech,
You are from Maharashtra only, sir.
from Maharashtra. Yes, yes.
कितने साल लगे आईपीएस बनने में?
This was my second attempt, so around 2.5 years. Within 2.5 years, I completed.
सर आपका इंटरव्यू कैसा था?
It was good.
In Delhi, sir. In Delhi only.
Delhi only. Yes, yes, yes.
How is your experience in Bainsa?
It is good. People are good.
And are you happy, first of all, when sir taken charge? Actually, we are also very happy, sir. One rule is observed from you people, sir. Just recently we completed immersion of Ganesha, Durga Mata immersion of them. You arranged some stages there.
Yes.
And means every time you are watching the that reading plan won't take us, sir. Just we are watching, sir. On the time also we observed, we are calling the respected people on the dais, and you created awareness. These are for our. So it is ours. You
Yes.
created awareness program. We are very happy. And second thing is we observed that try to close your shops at 8 o'clock.
Yes.
That is reaching to almost all people. So that also we are very very happy, sir. And because rules are once it is made, definitely for us
Yes.
not to overcome that. Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर आपकी दृष्टि में क्या है सर, क्राइम रेट डिक्रीज करने में आप कौन सा प्रोग्राम लाना चाहते हैं?
नॉर्मली क्राइम रेट मतलब बेसिकली क्या होता है, सिंपली इट इज नॉट कि क्राइम रेट मेन फोकस रहता है. मोस्टली आप भी देखते होंगे कि क्राइम बढ़ रहा है, ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं कि कम हो रहा है, इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं. बहुत से लोग देखते हैं कि कुछ इशू हो जाता है लेकिन पुलिस के पास फिर भी नहीं आ पाते. तो ऐसे बहुत सी चीजें है कि वो डर रहता है. तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज वही है कि पुलिस और पब्लिक का कनेक्शन होना चाहिए. So for that we are creating lot of community policing. There are awareness programs, social media is there. We go for this coordination search operation, community initiative program. So many times we interact with people also. You know, we take lectures or something. People like you come to us. So these kind of things. Basically, there should be the gap between public and police has to be reduced. So that is the main motto. If that happens, then definitely there will be. What is main our agenda is there to provide the safety and security to people. It is not about the crime or what is going on. It is more about the security. You feel safe.
Yes.
Even though you are going alone in night also, you should feel safe. That is the main important thing. Right now?
Sir, under you, how many departments are there, sir?
Departments, there are different, basically, police department is there, whole integrated. But now, different functional verticals are there. So there are 13-14 functional verticals are there.
Generally, traffic department is under you.
Yes.
And special force is under you.
Yeah, battalion is there.
And jails.
Jails, that is separately monitored by. Yes. That is not a police department.
Okay.
That is a separate jail department is there.
Special force also
Yes,
under
sir.
you.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, about uniform.
About
Stars that you have.
Yes. Normally, you must have been observing the people. There are a few people who don't have stars. That is the constable. Then there is a head constable. Then start from the ASI rank officer, assistant sub inspector. So later on, you sub inspector,
Sub inspector 2 stars.
3 stars is there. There are different kind of star is there. I have one Ashoka. So that Ashoka is public. The SP you go, there is Ashoka plus star. So you can see-
Swords also there, sir.
Yes, the SWAT is also there. As the seniority increases, different types of stars is there.
आपको
अपन-
अवार्ड देती थी
Hmm?
अगर आपको कुछ बड़ा काम आईपीएस बनने का कुछ बड़ा काम चेंज आए तो आपको भी अवार्ड देते
मिलता है ऐसे मतलब कुछ है तो यस फ्रॉम द प्रेसिडेंट और फ्रॉम सीएम दिस काइंड ऑफ अवार्ड्स आल्सो वी गॉट.
सर आपको आईपीएस बनने के बाद क्या करना चाहते थे क्या क्या चेंजेस लाना चाहते थे सोसाइटी में
अभी वही आप जो देख रहे हो वही चेंजेस में लाना चाहते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ.
And one more thing, sir. Then upon you, sir, SP. Upon SP, sir, DIG.
DIG is there.
DIG.
IG is there. IG. Then there is a last is DGP is there.
Who is our DGP? Mahinder Reddy, sir.
Who is the head of the police department for Telangana? So he is the DGP. Yes.
He's the boss for you.
Yes.
So,
यू आर द बॉस फॉर दिस ऑफिस
Okay.
सर
Yeah.
हाउ मेनी इयर्स यू
Training total 18 months we have training.
physical in the classes also.
Yes, physical plus classes.
Where, sir, here, NPA?
NPA.
National Police Academy, Sardar Vallabhbhai National Police Academy.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy. You can search on YouTube also. You can find
And
out.
we have how
videos
many
also.
police academies, sir?
We have
For India?
For India there is only one academy. That is in
Hyderabad.
only. So all IPS officer who got
Should
selected, around 150, 180 officer, they will be in
Every year?
one academy. Yes.
Every year.
Every year 150 officer for overall India.
सर आईपीएस को सेलेक्ट होते हैं सर
Hmm.
तो इसका विषय था कि कहाँ पे ट्रांसफर लेना
मतलब बेसिकली आईपीएस जो रहता है आपको सिलेक्शन होने के टाइम पे आपको एक स्टेट भी अलोकेट किया जाता है कहाँ पे जो भी आपने डाले होंगे. तो मुझे तेलंगाना मिला है तो नेक्स्ट 30 years के लिए तेलंगाना में रहूंगा.
I heard that, sir, one rule is there, which state you are selected, okay, that you have to must and should learn their local language.
यस मतलब बेसिकली ऐसा मस्ट एंड लर्न नहीं लेकिन जितना आप वहाँ पे रहना है डेफिनेटली यू शुड नो द लैंग्वेज.
So,
देन ओनली यू कैन टॉक विद पीपल आल्सो कम्युनिकेशन.
And photographs are last.
ओके
सर आईपीएस बनने के लिए
बहुत क्वेश्चन है आपके हम एक बार साथ में सब मिलेंगे.
Oh, yeah.